Once you open a robot from the e-catalog in iiQWorks.Sim, the robot will have a default configuration of the machine data. In this video, you will learn how to adapt the default machine data to your liking. Go to the Configuration tab in iiQWorks.Sim and click on the robot. Then click on the Machine Data Editor button. A new window will open on the right. The machine data configuration is split in two parts, Basic and Advanced. We will start with the Basic tab. In the software limit switches, you can change the maximal possible motion of the robot for every axis. For example, you can reduce the lower motion limit from -185 to -100 and the upper limit from +185 to +100. You could now go through every single one of the robot axes. You can reset the software limit switches with the little circular arrow next to each axis. The next thing you can change in the machine data configuration are the home positions and their tolerances of the robot. In the drop-down menu, you can select the wanted home position. There are up to 6 home positions. In this case, I'm going to select position number 2. Now you can directly type in values in the position fields of the axis. For example, A1 with a position of 10 degrees. And continue this for every single axis. Or you can directly use the current robot position and use the touch-up symbol on the right side of the home position drop-down menu. Now you will see that the positions directly changed in all axes. The home position tolerance in the machine data configuration of the robot refers to the permissible deviation allowed when the robot reaches its designated home position. The tolerance ensures that the robot signals has reached the home position if all monitored axes are within the specified range. By default, it is 2 degrees. Next, you can change the motion driver simulation of axis 6. You can switch it on or off in the drop-down menu. Please read the documentation of this variable in Expert. It should not be changed unless it is confirmed that it will not pose any hazard to persons or property. Additionally, for axis 6, you could change the properties of the axis from rotatory to linear or endless turning. Endless turning would allow axis 6 to an infinitely rotating axis, but this feature is currently not supported due to the ISO 10218 safety regulation. The setting, Braking Before Restricted Area, is selected by default for KUKA kinematics. If you have custom kinematics, you can select the second option. If you select the Advanced tab on the top of the Machine Data Editor, you can change some more settings. In the general parameters and for some robots, you can change the supply voltage. This basic setting should be made before importing the robot. You can change the supply voltage in File, Options, General, Default Controller Configuration. The controller type gives you the motion algorithm to calculate motor and gear torques for a predefined motion state of the robot, such as axis position, velocity, or acceleration. Here it is set to the default model. For robots in very cold environments, you can enable a warm-up functionality and set the warm-up time in minutes. When the warm-up functionality is activated, the robot adjusts motor currents and overrides to ensure effective operation despite increased friction due to cold drives. This prevents the robot from shutting down due to motor limits and allows it to move more slowly until it is warmed up. The next parameters will allow you to adjust details. Please read the warm-up guide in Expert for more information and ensure accurate load data to avoid torque faults.
Thank you for watching. We hope you find this video tutorial helpful. Don't forget to follow the KUKA channel for more updates and more exciting content. If you're looking for hands-on training, visit the KUKA College to enhance your skills. See you in the next video.
Making automation easier.